Greetings and welcome back to the channel. This is the third video in our multi-part video series to repair the WPV1 helmet mold mother shell. In the last video I showed you how I used Smooth-On's plasti-paste 2 to fill in the voids from when I put the mother shell back together. In this video I'm showing the cleanup steps I took to smooth out the plasti-paste so the mold will fit back into the shell. At first, I used a 60 grit flap wheel attachment for my air die grinder to get the large areas. I next switched to a smaller domed flap attachment. This is to get into the narrow parts of the mold like the two registration channels. Next, I switched to my Dremel rotary tool with a drum head sanding attachment to sand down the corners of the mother shell, getting that fine detail work that the other two would not achieve. Look at that, a perfect fit. Now on to dressing up the other half. I want to take the time to ask you to like and share the video, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell icon so you'll be notified of when we upload new videos. You can hit us up on our social media pages. We are Draven's Total Customs on both Facebook and Instagram. You can also email us at dravenstotalcustoms@gmail.com. Please visit our Etsy store at dravenstotalcustoms.etsy.com. We'll be adding new stuff in the coming months, so check it out. Face half of the mold wasn't as bad as the back half, so I only needed to hit it with the palm sander and a large flap wheel on the die grinder, just making sure that it's smooth, that when I rotocast, it's not cutting my hands. There you go, a perfect fit. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.